자, 여러분 오늘 정말 특별한 사람을 만나겠습니다. 수리남 드라마 아시죠? 그 드라마에서 나오는 배우 우리 감독님 덕분에 오늘 만나게 되었습니다. 예, 들어오시죠. 뭐야? 외국인이신데? 아니 무슨 수리남 배우 만났는데 왜 오늘 그 마양왕? 난 영어를 못하는데 어떡하지?
한국말 하지 마라.
한국말 하지 마.
Yo! You speak Korean?
한국말 하지 마라.
Yo! 반갑습니다. 예.
반갑습니다.
네, 자 여러분 오늘은 제 형이지? 87년생?
맞아. 형이는 반말을 했어.
Actually, I think I maybe look like 형님 because I'm fatter and balder than you, but
It's the beard actually.
yeah, and your beautiful hair. Everyone on YouTube, so this is John. So actually, we've been friends for like 10 years now. John has recently come back to the States, and we were working together in Korea for a while back. But dude, so I was watching Surinam. Everybody is watching Surinam these days. And I get to episode 6. I didn't even know that you were in there, to be honest.
No.
I'm like watching episode 6, and they're doing the briefing there in the meeting, and I'm like, that's John! So I paused it.
Yeah, it was right in the middle.
You were right in the middle of the
It's good.
screen.
That was nice. I don't expect people to recognize me, but
I don't know, maybe they'll
My friends
recognize you
do.
now.
It was a really fun episode to shoot. We went to Jeju-do for that.
Did you have a Jeju-do cure when you were there?
I didn't have time, unfortunately, but I did have Jeju-do beer.
Huh?
I did have beer. from
Okay,
Jeju.
that's good. That's
Yeah.
that's worth. So today we're gonna have some steak and some kimchi and mashed potatoes and a whole bunch of other kind of do like this mukbang thing, but also talk about Suriname or movies that you're gonna be on
Yeah,
coming soon.
that's true. Yeah, not everything's out yet.
Oh.
It's one of the best sounds in the world.
While this is cooking, what else can you tell us about Suriname? Dude, I'm telling you, so I'm normally not really like a K-drama fan. I'm a super fan of the Sageuk drama,
Yeah.
the old style like Joseon Shide or like Koryo Shide. Like,
They're
actually,
beautiful.
I've always wanted to be a part of one of those.
Oh yeah.
If there are any producers out there that are looking for, me for a Korean Sageuk drama,
Yeah.
I'll take off work for a year. But she was watching Suriname. It's like loud and there's fighting and shooting going on. I'm like, what is going on my TV? And so I came in and I think it's a traditional drug lord storyline.
It's
like,
based on a true story.
legit?
Yeah, it's based on a true story of a preacher who got involved in the drug trade in the country Suriname.
Oh wow, I had no idea that it was.
That happened. But it's the episode 6 is basically the climax of
Yeah.
the whole thing. Because we were the black ops team that goes in and sort of wrecks house. There's got to be explosions. There's got to be
It's gotta look
us
cool.
running into literally a huge open area with guys just coming at us from all angles and just getting mowed down.
Yeah, there was one part, it might have been in episode 5, they basically are like mowing all these dudes down from the rooftop. Part where there's like a grenade, and the grenade goes off, and it's like this huge explosion,
Yeah.
like boom, boom!
Yeah.
And Oliver's like, whoa, sweet, and I'm like, dude, it looks nothing like that. In real life, it's like,
Well,
yeah, so that's pretty cool. Were you in any of the other episodes? Was it just
I wasn't.
6?
I was just in 6. I shot a scene running to the helicopter, which the helicopters were actually big blue container boxes.
Really?
They looked really real. I was curious to see how they were going to do this, but they had container boxes with the sides open, and then they had like a small just step stool, but we had to jump onto that and then jump into the container and then quickly move to one of the sides so that everybody else could get in. We did this really, really, really quickly. So I was one of the only people who were trusted with blanks because I had prior firearms training. So I spent a whole magazine and then I reloaded. I did a combat reload. And then one guy caught that. And he's like, oh, that's really cool. We want to film that. And I'm like, you want to film me reloading and stuff? And they're like, yeah. I think they used a take where I kind of missed the magazine carriage just a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
That's pretty sweet.
A lot of fun to shoot that.
I bet, dude. It looked like a lot of fun.
Pretty cool.
I'm not on any episodes on so okay, so you just got when did you land in here? Like a week ago?
The 28th of September.
Do you miss anything already?
So far, my family.
Yeah,
Because they're not here with me just yet, but they're
Yeah.
coming soon. So
The thing I missed almost right off the bat was the food. The thing I missed was Korean chicken.
yeah, fried chicken.
Oh.
Koreans do fried chicken better than any other.
There are a lot of Korean chicken restaurants here in Virginia. There are some that come close, but nothing really hits a nail on the head. Oh.
Right.
Oh man. Yeah, that's good.
They're very good. It was when people say like you eat American, granted it has some Korean, obviously the kimchi, we have gochu and sangsu and stuff. But this is very American. Steak, potatoes, green beans.
Yeah, I think a lot of Koreans, when they think of American food, they think like cheeseburgers and pizza. Granted, we eat a lot of that too, but this like kind of minus the kimchi and the rice. So, on top of Surinam, you did another movie as well?
Yeah.
First of all, wait, we'll go from the top. How many movies and dramas total have you done?
Probably at least a dozen movies and stuff. Only the one drama. I was in Money Game. I was an IMF agent. I denied a bank loan to Korea.
Wait, to the whole country?
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty good role.
And then more recently, before I actually left Korea, we finished doing ADR for The Moon.
What can you tell us about the moon?
So it's
without giving any details.
So it's supposed to be coming out this year. The director is Kim Yong-hwa, but it's supposed to be about an individual who was stranded on the moon and the attempts by people on the ground to rescue
Korean
guy.
people rescuing a Korean person on the moon.
No, it's multi-nation, like on the space station.
Yeah.
But it's a Korean person who is on the moon, and there's a Korean team on the ground working with everybody. Yeah, so it's this collaborative effort. But
you know what? I think there's going to be a lot of interest because the Koreans are putting that lunar orbiter is on the way to the moon now, and so Korea is actually putting together the second mission for that. But I think that because of all these space launches and then these lunar orbiters and all this like kind of moon exploration going on, even just for the Koreans, I think it's going to put the space right in front of everyone's mind, so I think it will do well. 자, 여러분, 여태까지 수리남의 배우 찬이와 함께한 시간이었습니다. Thank you a lot for coming. 오늘 영상이 재미있었다면 구독과 좋아요 눌러주시면 감사드리고요. 다음 영상까지 안녕.